Lemon poppy seed bundt cake. Best ever lemon poppy seed cake, moist and spongy, packed with zesty flavour. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Let's get started. First, to fully grease your cake tin. Then to place the tin into the fridge while preparing the cake. This should help when removing the cake from your tin. Here we have 4 eggs and 360 grams of sugar. Whisk well until fluffy and light in colour. Now add 125 ml of vegetable oil. (250 ml of milk), and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Quick stir without whisking. Sieve 450 grams of plain flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and continue sieving. Whisk the cake enough to combine the ingredients. Here we have 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. Zest 2 lemons. Be careful and don't grate the white pith. This will make your cake unpleasant and bitter. Squeeze 1 whole lemon juice. Using a spatula, incorporate all your ingredients. Meantime, make sure your oven is preheated at 180 degrees. Pour your mixture into a cake tin. Bake in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Beautifully baked, allow cake to cool down for 5 minutes before removing from the tin. Encourage the cake out of the tin with a spatula if needed. Now for the lemon icing. Sieve 1 cup 150 grams of icing sugar. 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, add in slowly and mix each time. Depending on your icing sugar, you might need more or less of lemon juice. Once the lemon icing is ready, pour into a piping bag. And pipe lines across the cake. Finally, zest 1 lemon on top to give extra colour and flavour. So here we have the best ever lemon poppy seed bundt cake, moist and zesty flavour with the right amount of poppy seeds. If you liked watching the video, thumbs up please. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to. Not to miss out, hit the bell button. Thank you for watching Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. See you in the next video. Bye for now.